The filling is 9 ounces of ground chicken heart, 1 pound of spicy pork sausage, and this is the caps and green onion. This is about 2 cups after I chopped up the caps, hollowed and chopped up the caps, and then the Philadelphia cream cheese will kind of bind all these ingredients together. For my seasoning, I'll probably do salt and pepper, maybe some garlic or garlic powder. Alright, I'm starting the filling. I'm going to crumble the sausage, then I'll add the chicken, minced chicken, to the sausage, let that cook, add the chopped up mushroom tops or mushroom stems and green onions, then maybe add garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper to taste. And when everything's cooked, I'll add the cream cheese and let it melt, and I'll blend it together. That will be the filling for the mushrooms. Alright, the breakfast sausage has been crumbled. I added the chicken heart, and I'll just blend this all together. Alright, the meat mixture has been cooking about a minute. So now I'll just add the mushrooms, chopped mushroom stems, and green onion, and then you could salt and pepper at this time. Okay, I mixed in the chopped mushroom stems and the green onions. Now I'll just add a little bit of onion powder and garlic powder, and what I'll do is I'll just put a lid on this and try to cook everything thoroughly. Alright, the mixture has been cooking about 5 minutes with the lid on. The mushroom stems and the green onions give off a bit of moisture, so now I'm going to cook with the lid off for a couple minutes to dry it out. Alright, the mixture is dried off. I've taken it off the heat. Now I'm going to add the cream cheese, which I cut into little blocks. And I'll cover it and let the residual heat melt the cream cheese, and then I'll give it a stir to combine. Alright, the lid's been covered for about 5 minutes. Give me a chance to clean as I go. Now I'll just blend the cream cheese together with the mixture, and then also turn the oven on to 400 to preheat. Alright, the mixture is ready. It's cooled down and ready to stuff into the mushrooms. And I just dollop it slowly into the center. And be generous where it overflows. And on the stuff that I drop, can be picked up and re-stuffed in. So, oven's ready at 400. I'll finish stuffing these and throw them in the oven for 30 minutes. Here's the stuffed mushrooms heaped up with a bunch of these filling. I have probably 40% of it left. The minced chicken heart is optional. You could do it without it. Also, some people add breadcrumbs to the top, and since I'm trying to do a low carb diet, I took some chicharrones or pork rinds and mashed them in a plastic bag, and I'll top half of them with the pork rind to see if it adds a little extra crunch or texture. So we'll see how that turns out. Alright, half of the mushrooms have the pork rind topping, half do not. We'll see how that turns out. Into the oven it goes, 400 degrees, 30 minutes, or until brown. Alright, the stuffed mushrooms, 400 degrees, 30 minutes, out of the oven. After 15 minutes I did spin the pan around to cook evenly on both sides. Nope, a little spillage, but overall it looks pretty good. I'll give it a try once the mushrooms have cooled off. Alright, here's the finished stuffed mushrooms. I'll try them. They're a little big, but I'll try to eat them in one bite. Mushrooms soft. Filling's delicious. I thought it would be more spicier because of the spicy sausage. I could add red pepper flakes. Let me try this one. I mainly tried the topping since I added the crushed cracklings on top. They do add a little extra texture, no off flavors. So overall, I think adding chicken hearts, ground chicken hearts to the mixture just extends the mixture. Pretty good. You could do it with the chicken hearts or without, with the chicharroni topping or not. So it's up to you.